Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what these are some hand wash soap. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, if you can see how I do have two packages. One of them is basically a refill option and one is the actual bottle. So let's take out both of them to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is basically what the bottle looks like. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the bottle looks like inside. So the way how to design the pot is actually very cool and very unique. All you do is put your hand in top and just push it down, and that will create the foam on top that will come out. And supposedly for the foam that comes out, it's supposed to come in like a flower shape, which I'll show you guys in a second. But if you see the design of the bottle is actually very nice. It is very minimal as well. It's not too big. And if you see for the scent that's on here, it should be like Yuzu scent. So if you guys are someone like me that loves Yuzu, then this is actually pretty nice. And then for the other side right here is basically the refill option. So once you guys have finished using it, you can pour this inside. For the bottle itself, they mention how it is 8.5 fluid ounce, whereas for this one right here is 6.8. So once you guys finish using the whole entire thing, you can just pour it right on top or inside. For now, we don't have to refill it yet since it is brand new. But you definitely want to get one of these to refill it when you guys are ready. So when you guys are ready to refill it, all you need to do is just twist it open, and that will allow you guys to open the inside. And then right here in front, if you can see, we do have an option for you to take it out. And basically what this is for is to protect the product right here. So that way when you guys get the product in a package or whatever, it can't be pushed down. So really nice how she has that option available. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that they do mention how it is very eco-friendly and it is vegan-friendly, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go bring this over to the restroom to test it out, to show you guys how well it works and when it actually works. And we'll show you guys what the file looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. First thing I want to do is take this part out, like I mentioned. Once you guys do that, if you guys do press the top part, the foam should come out from the top. So if you guys do press it down, you probably have to press it a few times if it's your first time using it. If you see, this is what it actually looks like afterward when you guys press it for the first time. So I'm gonna actually rinse it and try again. Alright, so now let's try again. So once you guys press it again, if you see it slowly forms the shape. So it doesn't look exactly like the photo, but it actually looks very similar. But let's try to use it. If you see how when you guys do use it, there's definitely a lot of foam on here. And when you guys do smell it, it smells really nice. You can definitely smell like that rice water scent on here and that Yuzu scent as well. And the texture that's on here definitely feels a lot better than my other hand wash soap that I have. But now let's rinse it. Alright, so after you guys do wash it, if you guys smell it again, you guys can definitely smell a little bit of the Yuzu scent, but you guys also smell a lot of that rice water scent, which is pretty unique. So that is basically how you guys use the product and what the product looks like when you guys do use it, especially for the flower option on top right here when you guys do press it. But see, the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. Alright, going back guys. So now let's all quick test the product. If you see, it definitely does work. It actually works quite well. If you see, when you guys use the product, it's actually very cool and very unique, especially when you guys do press it down. It does give you guys that flower design. And on top of that, you do get that very strong Yuzu scent, which is pretty awesome, especially if you guys do like Yuzu. And after you guys do use it, you can definitely feel how much more cleaner it feels on your hand afterward. So whether if you guys want to use it for yourself or get it as a gift for someone else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality foam soap that can use for your hand, that also give you guys the Yuzu scent and a very unique design in terms of the flower design when you guys do press on it, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.